this one is Russia, and also we're talking about the history of Russia. Let's go return all the way to 18th centuries. About the Mongol Empire was still real a long time ago, and also the other countries around the world before the country Mongol Empire, King Dynasty came. And also, one country came over here and also attacked the King Dynasty, and also other countries. And also, after that ended, let's go to 1901. The Soviet Union is already real in 1901. The Soviet Union conquered a little bit of King Dynasty, Mongolia, Kazakhstan, Ukraine, Belarus, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, Finland, and also a long time ago. But when the Soviet Union is not existed, back in the 1886, there's a Russian Empire appeared, and also Russian Empire conquered Alaska, Mongolia, and Kazakhstan. Those are the countries that Russian Empire caught, and also when it's already Soviet Union. The Soviet Union are enemies with Nazi, and also that's the history of Russia. Also, please like and subscribe. Bye!